Ford wants to make it easy to own an electric vehicle, and Vehicle Care is no exception. So if you want info on it, you got it, right here. Ford Electric Vehicle Standard Care is anything but standard. Biased? Sure, but we also work hard to deliver the best. Your electric vehicle's standard service covers a multi-point inspection every 10,000 miles. This includes tire rotations, cabin air filters and brake fluid, and specially trained electric vehicle techs who know their stuff, so you can too. Thanks, Derek.
You got it.
Now get this. 90% of people in the US live no more than 20 miles from a Ford dealership. So people like Derek are always there to help. Ford Vehicle Care doesn't stop at standard, or even start, because your electric vehicle automatically checks itself. These vehicle health alerts are delivered automatically to your Ford Pass app once your vehicle's modem is activated. While we're at it, let's do a refresh on key Ford owner benefits. Ford Electric Vehicle Roadside Assistance, Proactive Towing Assistance, a battery warranty for 8 years or 100,000 miles, and complimentary Ford pickup and delivery and Ford mobile service. Have your vehicle picked up and delivered back to you, or even serviced at your home. Yes, your home. And 24/7 live support with a real person. No bots, just Brian. As you can tell, taking care of your electric vehicle is a priority and passion at Ford. And with that, it's time to close out How to EV with Ease, the Service Edition.